Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic where we will share list of 20 significant historical events that changed the course of the India. India has a rich history with numerous significant events that have shaped its course over time. Here is a list of 20 such events. Number 1. Indus Valley Civilization, 2600 to 1900 BCE. One of the world's earliest urban civilizations, it laid the foundation for Indian culture and urban planning. Number 2. The Vedic Period, 1500 to 500 BCE. The emergence of Vedic texts and early Hinduism influenced the social and religious fabric of ancient India. Number 3. Maurya Empire, 322 to 185 BCE. Under the rule of Emperor Ashoka, Buddhism spread and became a major influence across the Indian subcontinent. Number 4. Gupta Empire, 320 to 550 CE, an era of prosperity and cultural flourishing, known as the Golden Age of India. Number 5. Arab invasion, 7th to 11th centuries. The arrival of Arabs brought Islam to India and had a significant impact on its culture and politics. Number 6. Delhi Sultanate, 1206 to 1526. The establishment of Islamic sultanates in northern India changed the political landscape. Number 7. Vijayanagara Empire, 1336 to 1646. A powerful Hindu empire that emerged as a response to the Delhi Sultanate. Number 8. Mughal Empire, 1526 to 1857. The Mughals, a Muslim dynasty, ruled over most of India, leaving a lasting architectural and cultural legacy. Number 9. Arrival of European powers, 15th to 18th centuries. Portuguese, Dutch, French, and British traders established a presence in India, leading to colonial rule. Number 10. Battle of Plassey, 1757. British East India Company's victory over the Nawab of Bengal marked the beginning of British control over India. Number 11. Indian Rebellion of 1857, Sepoy Mutiny, a major uprising against British rule, leading to the end of the East India Company and the beginning of direct British governance, 1858 to 1947. Number 12. Indian National Congress, 1885. The formation of the INC became a significant step towards India's struggle for independence. Number 13. Partition of Bengal, 1905. Dividing Bengal sparked nationalist movements, leading to a unified demand for independence. Number 14. Non-cooperation movement, 1920 to 1922. Mahatma Gandhi's call for non-violent resistance against British rule gained widespread support. Number 15. Salt March, 1930. Gandhi's symbolic act of defiance against British salt taxes, further uniting Indians in the independence movement. Number 16. Quit India Movement, 1942. A mass civil disobedience movement demanding the immediate end of British rule in India. Number 17. Independence and Partition, 1947. India gained independence, but also witnessed the tragic partition into India and Pakistan, resulting in widespread communal violence. Number 18. Adoption of the Indian Constitution, 1950. India became a republic with a democratic constitution, laying the foundation for a modern nation. Number 19. Green Revolution, 1960 to 1980. Technological advancements in agriculture led to increased food production and transformed India's agricultural landscape. Number 20. Economic Liberalization, 1991. India's shift towards market-oriented economic policies opened the doors to globalization and modernization. If you found these knowledge helpful, give us a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more knowledge on history. Thanks for watching, and until next time, let's spread the knowledge of significant historical events that changed the course of the India.